selimnandi igama lakho Jesu limnandi igama selimnandi igama lakho Oh Jesu limnandi igama selimnandi igama lakho azisoze zasigwinya thina uthembisile omnini mandla onke azisoze zasigwinya thina uthembisile omnini mandla onke ambamzalwane uyeza ambamzalwane uyeza ambamzalwane uyeza masinya 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 ambamzalwane uyeza ambamzalwane uyeza bam zalwane uyeza masinane.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Bam zalwane
Masi.
bam zalwane.
Au chapele Jesu matsoro. Ore nna ke rata Jesu, wena o rata mang? Hallelujah. Jesus. Jesus.
Bam zalwane na bam zalwane. Oh bam zalwane. Uzanele ngakuthi endini. Bam zalwane. Hallelujah. Ayeye zanele mbokaza yeah. Ayeye zanele mbokaza yeah. Ayeye McCrown yeah. Ayeye uKhosi FM yeah. Phambili ngozanele phambili. Ashali shombe for uzanele mbokazi. Uma ZZ umgengane. Yabona le chaos kade yenzeka la. Ekazanele. Le yezayoni ile ekazanele. Before ngikhulume kuthiwa ngiqale ngithule abakhona phakathi kwethu asibingelele kwi premier yethu. Upaya nice store. See?
1 2.
Oh, kuthiwa behave. Oh, kuthiwa uzanele biza ngo behave. Okay, let me behave. Paya store. Hey, ipremier lesibindi le. Vele nje ya. Angivuli. Twa vula. Sabe follow, as follow. No msholozi. Twa vula. Oh, uvule phela. Absolute. Oh, mawuvula lapha impela. Oh, sokusupport. Okay. Uzanele ngabethi angibehave, okay? Well done, Prima. Mfundisi ngize ngikubone live. Nonkosikana, ngeke ngibone ku TV. My gosh. Ihlobo elikhulu ngokungcebesha. Mhlawumbe Prima angisho la mfundisi nabakhona la ukuthi when I met uBishop Mkambule ekhaya ngithe kuyena angifuni ukunika ama-verse. I don't have verses. Uzanele ngiyamazi uzanele umuntu onjani. Yabona ekhaya senzeka la ileka Zanele. Uma ZZ. Obesakaza e-studio ehamba ngenyawo. Mayisakaza. Afike ilanga libalele one day kodwa ama hills kaZanele ovela abe nodaka nje. Waye umimcimbi lini Zulu waqoka wafaka imoto namahill waphuma wahamba ngophaqa wasakaza wamema ku event selibalele wakhohlwa ukuthi asula amahill wafaka futhi yani njani Zanele, amahil, so that's the kind of Zanele. But before ngikhulume, khona into engicela uyisho bazalwane ngokukholwa. Let us give each other flowers while saphila. You know, I think you know umfundisi uJabu Hlongwane ePremier ngithi, can you imagine umfundisi ngithi, can you imagine uLindelani Mkhize Thunzi number Jabu Hlongwane nibeke ihlalo ezu3 ebese kuthiwa eGauteng ithi sizobonga into eniyenzayo ngejoyous celebration in honor, because mase hambile umuntu kumnandi sikhuluma kahle, it's okay. Pasihambile umuntu sikhuluma kamnandi and everything, but uma esaphila uWinnie Ntshaba asimnikeze imbali esaphila. Even not even ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ku television or radio in your family, to say, yes guys, to say to your husband umshaye ehlombe uthi I love you. Tell your wife uthi yes uthi yes but yes we are important. Siyahluleka umfundisi azahambe emhlabeni akaza atshela ukuthi amavesi akho angisize kangakanani. Mangaka ama artists akayathi Zanele ngiyayibonga ngangayibamba iCrown Gospel Award. Every year I said kuLindelani Mkhize in Durban, I pray ukuthi legacy kaZanele this year, if ngasena wenze ama Crown SABC Khosi FM nithi in honor of the late Zanele Mbokazi. Cela kushaya ihlombe siyacela ukuthi mawenzeke lama Crown Gospel Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, part kwethu si nobaba uPrima singithulile, sino mama uMangema Zuma absolutely. Ukhona impela abusabonga. Ukhona part kwethu uStanley Khoza, ukhona we Echo, and all Echo and Impra board members are present. Dodo Moramandi, Impra ukhona, Tami Ngubeni from Metro FM khulumile, umfundisi uyeza uJabu Hlongwane, khona ngizobasumisa ke abanye ngababonanga, ngicela mayisukuma sishayela izandla uKhaya wakwaDlanga. Oh my gosh, sukuma uphamise wave and then sishaye. Uzalele ngabwenza kanje ngabudinda batshele. Sukuma ushayelwe izandla. And then phakathi kwethu sinaye uWinnie Ntshaba. Sukuma uthi izandla. Ngiyihlomba ngilezi ihlombe inona for Zanele. Bakhona usaziwayo. And then phakathi kwethu khona umfundisi wahamba nathi. Oh wahamba nathi. Oh wahamba nathi. Siyabonga Soli Mahlangu simnikeze ihlombe egameni lenkosi. And then phakathi kwethu khona uSthandiwe Goroge. Simazi ngibona kude. Simnike ihlombe elikhulu uThandiwe Goroge. And then phakathi kwethu ukhona okay, office of the MEC, thank you so much. Umlamuli Nxele, the former marketing manager yoKhosi FM, eyenza sure ukuthi ama Crown Gospel Awards kaZanele ayahlala asavava kuKhosi, asimnikeze ihlombe ekhulu phakathi kwethu. All print media siyabonga, radio stations, podcasters, bloggers, siyabonga. Ngicela bonke abaculi bame ngenyawo ngokukholwa, sibanikeze ihlombe, sikizele shayile ihlombe, okholeka bonke bame ngenyawo. Angilizwe ihlombe, ihlombe, ihlombe. Ihlombe, 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 ihlombe. My 2 minutes and then I sit down. I joined Ukhozi FM 1996. There was this woman wayenza a program on Sunday who was very powerful. It was Zanele Mbokazi. It was Zanele Mbokazi. What happened in 1996? The late Kansas City Mchunu wahamba. And then SABC or Ukhozi FM that time, they wanted someone to do 326. The program was given to a lady, Zanele. It was Kansas City, Mandla Malakwane, after Malakwane, boom. Kodu Zanele in the midst wailapa as umuntu wesifazana. And the program 326 was powerful because of this young woman, Zanele Mbokazi. On top of that, 1997 to 1998, first time in my life doing a show with her. He crossed over your cause, I think in Yayaz. Ukuhlukanisa unyaka. So, most of the management, because what they do, they tell you during the day, from 31 premier, la lani ninga vugi, so that ipsugu ni azila. Miti nizila for uktin to no, abantu akufanele bakubone. Ngoba ipsugu bakulalela, kusho Paul Nzimande. Fona wami, fona naleke ipsugu, yabona ke ipsugu sinavuka ke mfana. Wabona into, hey guys. Gilaleke na buthi. But we always phone because we are worried today. After much trade, what are we going to do? For Zanel, at young again. So close. They figure himself, the Boglala, figure 6 Zogana on that. Nitimina, I book 12. I said, yes, so when I pagat. At Nigri order, we feel Sarah, we figure Bagwam when Sam Sarazoni prepared our show, Namasidis. Isho it was the best. Sangana started Happy New Year. Ukbala from U10 until number 1 started Happy New Year. Sangana 1988. So why I'm Nishara Lendo? Manda Malakwana Wabenge. So the way Mama Mangema, we played say Dala Zongi Day Etua Itumi Lingom. So Zangana Bagwe to my gosh, like really? We problem. Prima, I want to matter, but no, boost the message is more. But Nashana Zonking, must put a position. We oh, business and God is he in Ganas of Winzad. So that was Uzanelli and Bogas. I call him a crown, Gazanelli. Abandabanding if you are here, Une I saw Mozanel, Une Zigo Uzanel, Nama future leaders Uzanel, Une Mira PR Uzanel and Bogas. It was like shocking with it. On radio, you're doing a show, and then you can start your own company. Nakali company because of Uzanele Mbogas. I have a business because of her. More than that, Uzanele. What was until Ganje? Man kunwa stage matima. Uzanele mashetu ze wako. Uzo shega. Mo koginde wrong uzo issue. Acha, we start to respond. We are kusta gelo. Kote bilshaya ifom. Giteku bishop ukambole ngati. I don't have verses, but in nayo E1. No manghamba is got in sections logo. Angwe sabo gobi. Goba we na unam. We are no ospect to Jehovah. Kumqalisi nomphelelisi wazo zonke izinto emhlabeni. But because ninama artists nila, because the industry in ama trials and tribulation. Ngicela manifike khani nifunde ama Psalms 35. Phikisana Nkosi. Nabaphikisana nami. Ulwe nabalwa nami. Indlela zabo zibe mnyama. Mabashelele bawe. But ekugcineni is very important. Thandanani ngokweqiniso, nitshelana amaqiniso, ninika nama flowers nisaphila, nivakashelane, nithatha ukuduma nikufake ngaphansi. Because you guys, you are not called, but you are chosen. May God bless you.